Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to do a quick update on this Razer Quad 500 that we've had for a year now. If you're thinking about purchasing one of these, I'm going to go ahead and rate it like an 8.9 out of 10. This thing has been fantastic. My daughter's 5 years old. She rides it at least once a day. She gets about 45 minutes to an hour ride time. I've had to do zero maintenance. I haven't had to put air in the tires, adjust the brakes. I haven't had to do anything but charge it. Honestly, I can say the only negative thing about this model, I would think that they could have maybe put some front shocks on it to make a better ride. But besides that, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this quad. It has just been amazing. So it does have a twist throttle, and it also has a battery gauge right next to it to let you know when it's getting low and time to charge. It's got one disc brake, hand brake, no foot brake on this model. And it's got an on and off switch for safety and then a swivel cover for the charger port. So it is 36 volts. It does have one rear monoshock. As I said earlier, I wish it had some front shocks, but at least it's got something for where they're sitting at. Like I've said, I've never even adjusted the brakes, and it's been 1 year now. And I feel like it really has been tested and proven because she rides it at least once a day, but there's sometimes she's riding it 3-4 times a day after charging it. Also, I'm pretty sure they're still boxing them the same way, but when I received this one last year, it came completely assembled, and all you had to do was put the handlebars on. So I'll go ahead and leave you with some clips of her riding it. She's 5 years old. She is about to be 6. It does about 9 miles an hour, but you can check it out for yourself and see how it rides.